you please explain a verse from the Holy Quran, Surah 7, verse 47? It's about a place where the people are who haven't reached the paradise.
It's a good tradition you have established, mashallah. Thanks to Abdul Rahman, everybody is now asking questions with reference to the verses. Good.
This
read.
Verse number 47 from Surah Al-Araf.
Can you read German?
No. The verse says, A'udhu billahi min shaitan rajim, wa bainahuma hijabun wa ala al-arafi rijalun yarifuna kullam bisimahum wa nadaw ashab al-jannati an salamun alaykum lam yadkhuluha wa hum yatma'un.
Right. The question.
First to explain it, and where is this stage where the people didn't reach the paradise now, and what have they done differently on the people who reached the paradise already?
But this question warns me that you have not properly understood the translation, or the translation in German language is not properly made. What do you think this verse delivers the message to you?
That there are people.
What picture you have imagined?
I mean, I know that they're different state in the next life, and I didn't understood why they're calling to the people over them and under them.
No, I understand that, but first let me know of the image you have drawn from this by reading this verse. What have you realized this verse is trying to tell you?
That they're people, they living their life maybe for God, but they don't reach the same state in
I know, this is what I suspected. This is not right. Here, in this verse, such people are mentioned who are far beyond the status of ordinary people of this world in nearness to God. So their admission to the paradise is underwritten, and they will be stationed at a place which is prominent and beyond every other human station at the time of the declaration of decrees and fates, who will go to hell and who will go to heaven and all that. In that state, they are Ashabul Araf. They are stationed at a higher, loftier place, where, like kings are stationed on their thrones, and they see their subjects all sitting below. Who are these Rijal? That is the first question which should be addressed. I have no doubt that these are the same people who are mentioned as Muhammadur Rasulullah wallazina ma'ahu Rijalul la tulihim tijaratun wala bay'un an dhikrillah. These verses, different verses, refer to Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah and wallazina ma'ahu, and the same are referred to as Rijalul la tulihim tijaratun wala bay'un an dhikrillah. So it is Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah and his chosen companions who will be granted that very special lofty place before they enter the paradise. And because it is also said of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the Quran that he can read from the foreheads of people what is passing inside. He recognized the people by the signs on their foreheads, on their faces. So this verse also is reminiscent of the same. That there will be very special men, servants of God, who would be given a loftier station than everybody else before people enter paradise or hell, if it is the unfortunate case. They will recognize the people by their faces and say, oh, these are the people who seem to go to heaven. And they will also recognize the hellish people by their faces. They say, they seem to be destined for hell. This is what the verse is all about. Sorry. Any other question on this?
It means that it's in this world, not in the next one.
In the next world.
No, I mean the verse.
The next world, you know, you imagine the scenario of God having decreed finally that some people should go to heaven, some to hell.
No, this I know.
Now, before they enter the hell and heaven, this is the scene created just prior to the act of their entering. There some people will be given an advantageous position. They are the chief guests, the guests of honor. And as such, they will be stationed higher than the others. These are Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam walazina ma'ahu. Rijalun, you know, these are the rijal who are mentioned. So the scene is painted just before the instant of their entering the heaven or entering the hell, as the case may be. After that, there will be separation. There will be a wall created between the two, and they will not be able to communicate with each other. But in this previous period, they would be able to communicate in this sense as the Holy Quran has mentioned. Clear or not yet? Good. Very good. Through this question, many others will also learn the meaning of this. Very good.